interrupted with the Lib-opengl module DLL blocking localized OpenGL orchestration shim workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Get the professional Lib-opengl module fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Lib-opengl module, a non-standard naming convention used by specific game engines and cross-platform tools to house their localized OpenGL rendering shims. It acts as an abstraction layer between the software's graphics calls and the system's OpenGL32 DLL. If missing, the app will report a graphics device initialization failed or pixel format not supported error during the startup handshake. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If you see a Lib-opengl module DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the localized OpenGL orchestration shim subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Lib-opengl module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of Lib-opengl module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Lib-opengl module and registry optimization. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Lib-opengl module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.